Hey my cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my press-on nails. I did a video like this a few years ago, which I'll leave in an iCard above. This time around though, they did get a little bit messy and I didn't have everything that I normally use. So if you guys are interested in learning how I like to prep my nails and apply my press-ons to make them last a little bit over a week, go ahead and keep on watching this video. Hey my cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my press-on nails. I'm going to be using the Kiss Gel Fantasy Collection nails in the long length. I typically use the medium length nails if I ever do press-ons, but because it's a long weekend, I'm not going to be at work for a little bit, I can go ahead and have a little bit longer nails. I like to have shorter nails when I'm at work because I work on the computer and I can type better that way. But if you guys want to look cute, if you guys want to look like a baddie, but you guys are also on a budget, I highly recommend Kiss press-on nails. I've tried other ones from the drugstore, but they did not look cute at all. So I highly recommend Kiss nails. I've done a video of how I apply them a few years ago, so I'll leave that in a link in an iCard above. But right now I am filming this at my boyfriend's house and I don't have everything that I would normally use, but these are other alternative products that you guys might have lying around your house that could really help prolong your press-on nails. So I see a lot of videos of girls using press-on nails and they complain that it doesn't last long. It's all about the prep. Just like with makeup, your makeup is not going to look good unless your skincare and underneath all of that is being worked on as well. So same goes with your nails. But before filming, I did go ahead and file down my nails to a good short length. You could use a nail clipper, but I just decided to file them off camera. And to prep the nails, I like to get a, what is this called, nail file, and just kind of buff this over the nails. And I'll do this for each nail. I won't go too much, but I'll go ahead and just do that. So once you go ahead and file down your nails, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the alcohol and just run that over all of my fingers just to kind of dehydrate that area and take out any excess oils. I've noticed doing this will help prolong the nails. I would go ahead and use a cuticle cutter just to kind of clean out the cuticles. I don't have one right now, but that's typically what I would do if I had one. This is how the nails is gonna look like after you take it out of the box. This nail glue is actually pretty good and I like to keep this in my purse as well as this one just in case I might lose one. But to first apply them, I like to use this nail glue. If you don't have that nail glue, it's fine. The one that comes with it works perfect. But sometimes when you purchase it, it can be a little bit dried out. So that's why I just buy one separately. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And this is the style and the colors that I chose at my store that I went to. And you can either glue them on or they come with these little stickers. I personally do not like using the stickers. I feel like they won't last as long. I never really use them. I always just use the glue. So if you don't have your own file, don't worry. The kit comes with one as well. And normally I don't even use my own file because I normally don't buy one myself, but I had them as a gift for Christmas. So the one that comes with it works perfectly fine. I believe in my other video I used whatever came in with the kit. And then it does come with a cuticle pusher, which is something I will go ahead and use. And I like to go ahead and push all my cuticles up for each finger. Alright guys, so I went ahead and tried to find out the sizes for my fingers off camera. It took me a while, and honestly, having long, narrow nail beds like me can be hard to find sizes that will fit me perfectly. That is one downside with press-on nails. It's not that customizable, even though they give you a ton of different sizes. I noticed for me, like, I feel like if you had shorter nail beds, it might be easier, and like wider ones. But my nail beds are really narrow and long. So a lot of the times the medium length press-on nails would look like my regular nails with, like, if I was to like paint them, but a little bit more nicer. So yeah, that's one downside of it, but I went ahead and organized them. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished product. This is how the nails is looking like once they're all pressed on. It did get a little bit messy this time around, and I've done this before, but I must say that this collection from Kiss is a lot harder to apply. So if it's your first time applying press-on nails, I highly recommend the ones I was using in my previous video that I did a few years ago, which I'll leave in an iCard above. I don't know if it's because it's long length nails this time around. I personally like the medium length ones, but I do like how they look like on my hands because they look a little bit more girly now. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't yet already, subscribe to my channel so you guys could be one of my cupcakes. We did reach a little bit over 1,600 subscribers, so if you guys haven't yet already, go ahead and join the Cupcake fam. I would really appreciate it. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments down below as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!